This is my review on 1957. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back and thank you so much. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things or all of those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified every single time a video is placed on the channel. Smash the bell and it will definitely notify you. Okay, let's get into the reason why we are here. We are still talking about 1957. That was the new fragrance that just came out from Chanel. You guys, I wore the fragrance and I have it here with me. It still makes me smile. It's amazing. It's really good. But here's what I want to tell you. If you want details on notes and hues and everything like that, I'm going to place a card of my original unboxing, and I gave it up quite, just a quick review, but I didn't go into depth and details, but all of the notes and everything are over there in that video. So I'm going to place a video here. If you want to go back and look at the original unboxing and my first impression of it, I'll put that video there. Make sure you take a look at it. Here I just want to review on performance, longevity, how it developed, what happened, how I felt about it, if I got any compliments on it, like what's the tea, spill it, I'm ready, let's go. So here it is. I spoke about the bottle and everything last time. Price, everything like that is in the video, like I said above. I'll put a clip there. You guys, it smells really, really good. What I will say is that if you're thinking of purchasing this fragrance, please make sure you spray it on a part of the body, okay? Walk away, let it stay on for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm just saying. When you initially spray it and smell it, it's just like, okay, you don't get the initial, how you go into the department stores and you can smell that department store fragrance, like all of them mist around in the air, you're in the fragrance department, you're at the fragrance counter. It doesn't have that. You don't know where to gravitate to or where to draw to immediately. And that's me. And so you just have to wait on it. Then see, right now, even taking it in, I smell fresh. I smell clean. Smell a little pepper, a little pink. You know what I mean? It has all those notes in. I'll put a quick snap of the notes here just in case you don't have time to watch the other video, although you should. It's very entertaining. Anyways, you guys, but yeah, it's really good. So here it is. I've been wearing it. I wore it to church. I got in the car immediately with my husband and he's like, what is that? What are you wearing? And I said, oh, this is the new one. This is 1957. He goes, it smells really good. He goes, but it smells more fresh, clean. It smells like a modern woman. And I said, oh, okay, I'll take that, a modern woman. So it's not very old. It's not very heavy. It's not stuffy. It's not like a tight kitten heel kind of stuffy woman. You know what I mean? But it is a modern take on an everyday, girly girl type of woman. That's what I get from it. So I said, okay, I'm gonna wear it all week. You guys, I wore it all week, and just so happened that week I was going out everywhere. I don't know how I had a life that week. Hello. So I had a life that week. I was going out. It's my friend's birthday. So I sprayed it on. And mind you, when I'm spraying, you guys, I'm spraying heavy because for some reason, let me get to this. For some reason, I spray it on. I'm like, I don't smell it. My husband said he smelled it on me. I didn't feel that I smelled it on me. And I'm like, why don't I smell it? You know what I mean? But sometimes in a fragrance, if you don't smell it, but somebody else smells it and compliments you on it, that's the way a fragrance should be worn. And I typically love those type of fragrances. But however, I was just like, why don't I spray it? Because I'm spraying it very, very heavy. So I wanted to be able to smell it on myself, but I didn't. However, I was able to smell it on my clothing. I can smell it on my clothing even the day after, so the longevity is definitely there. So we go to lunch or dinner, dunch, whatever. And so I had already sprayed. Mind you, I was wearing a long sleeve like today. And then I think they brought some stuff to the table where we were reaching for, and how they bring this stuff to the table and you're sharing it. So we were reaching. So I had moved my sleeve up like that because I gotten hot. And so I had moved my sleeve up like that. Went to reach for something and they were like, oh my God, what are you wearing? I'm like, what do you mean? They're like, I smell perfume. What are you wearing? I'm like, oh my God, it's Chanel. It's 1957. Thank God somebody noticed. And I'm like, so I started talking about it. And they were like, oh my God, I gotta go and get that. Like every time you move, I smell it. So I would go in, whether you go in for a lane, whether you stand back, whether you walk past somebody, whether you get it with, whatever, you can smell it. So it's like it leaves and then it comes back. And I know that makes no sense, but seriously, like I was like, well, I don't smell it. Then I pushed my arm back, went to reach up for something, brought it back down. And I was like, oh my God, I got a whiff of it. So it's not a magic act, you guys, but I'm just saying, it's like shows up and then it disappears and then it comes back and then you smell it even more and then it dries down and then it's like, it gets really captivated into the body. Can I use that word, captivated? I don't know. It gets really immersed in the body and then you start to smell it. So I would definitely say if you're thinking of getting it, make sure you give it a huge amount of time to develop and dry down on the body, because the dry down is unreal. It turns sweet, it's crisp, it's fresh, it's clean. I'm gonna say it again, it's rich, it's money. I'm gonna say this again, it's juicy. Yes, dare I say it, it is juicy, it's sophisticated, it's classy, it's elegant, it is the modern woman. I'm voting and I'm giving this, I have voted and I have gave this an 8. I may even give it an 8.5, you guys. So yes, I do recommend it. Do not be put off by the initial opening. Do not be put off if you don't smell it right away. It goes, it comes, it dries down, it comes back even sweeter. It emerges into the body and develops on the skin. It is sexy and a tad bit. Not a whole lot of sexy. More class, more fresh, more clean, more rich, more moderate, more a woman. You know what I mean? Hello? I am making a video right now. I cannot talk to you. So that is my take on it. 1957 is an amazing fragrance. If you have not got your hands on it, make sure you stop in. I always recommend starting with the sample, trying it, see how it works on you. Everybody's body chemistry is different. This is my experience. This is what I feel. You could be feeling something totally different. Try it out here on this channel. Like I said, fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If you like any of those things or all those things, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.